people already go to the maximum depths in the ocean. And if you can search the submarine called Trieste, which was the first one, later they come again with another one, and they go down more than 10,000 meters. So what makes this possible? And inside also were people. The people can go down to the maximum depth of the ocean, so this is not a problem. So here we have our ocean surface, and here is our depths. The maximum depth is about less than 11 kilometers. The Titanic is about 3,800 meters deep. In general, also the ocean is in general about 4,000 meters deep, so that is relatively clear. So the submarine is going into the water, under the water surface, and inside are the people. So what is the main topic? First, the main topic, this is a space, and inside has to be air because the people have to breathe. Otherwise, we are dead very fast. But the problem is also, or the situation when we are looking at the physics, that inside is air which have a lower density than the water surrounding. That means that the water is actually pressing, acting as a force onto my submarine. And here comes the problem. This is our pressure. And the pressure increases with depth in a relatively linear way, depending on the density of the water, which is about 1,020 kilogram per cubic meter for the salt water, our gravitational acceleration, and our depths. And so here the main parameter is the depth, because density and g is constant for our equation. So that makes going down into the ocean a little bit a difficult problem, because the pressure increased significantly. This is the density of water is 1,000 times more than of air. So what is the real issue? The topic is the material and the design. Now remember, the pressure is coming from all sides, and then every material is compressible, but I don't want very much, otherwise I want a little bit, so I can survive. And so this is our same problem today. A little bit back to our submarine. As I said, this is a research submarine for the 10,000 meter. Our normal submarine, like for the Navy, is going at around 300 meter maximum depth. Some of them go maybe 900 meter, and I read about a Russian, it's going even up to 1,200 meter. So this is relatively small, or shallow depths compared to our Titanic. Because the Navy don't want to go deep, because they have a lot of technology, they just want to hide. I don't want to be seen. But here, for the submarine going to the Titanic, we have to go down about 3,800 meters, which is also possible. Remember, we already go to 10,000 meters, so the technique and technology is possible. So what is now a little bit maybe to the recent problem? First I will show you, you have seen this. This is a photo of the submarine which is not found yet, is lost. This is the Ocean Gate submarine, and here it is the same submarine earlier trip in the water. Because this submarine is already went in 2021, so 2 years ago, to the Titanic with people, so it's not the first time they are going there. It happened before. But what is different now? Different now is they lost the communication with the ship. There's a ship here on the surface. So that is actually the story so far. We have to see and wait.